What are the sexuality developments of the male from 2 to 6 years or 3 to 6 years? So, by the age of 2 to 3 years, the baby will be able to tell, I am a boy. Then other things will start, all the training, how the parents deal with the child, how they teach the things, how they create the gender role, family role, self-esteem, all that the baby will be observing. And this is the age they are very curious, restless, want to learn, want to be independent. All this training will start during this time, whether it is a feeding training, or it is a toilet training, or how to dress up, what are the etiquettes, how they have to cover the genital region, socially appropriate behavior. And they are also curious about seeing the other children nude, or other the genitals, or other the elders when they are not scantily dressed. So this is the age of curiosity. So they start observing everything, and at this is the major time to create a positive or negative influence about the sexuality. This is also a time when they are exploring their own body, and it is very normal for them to handle the genitals and also get some pleasure. This is a very natural part of their growth. And if the patient parents then punish them or scold them, tell them, chichi, this is wrong, shame, puppy shame, all that. So, right from that age, they will be creating the negative attitude towards the child or towards the genitals. The child will think, so this is a place where they should not talk about it, touch about it, or even if something happens, whether there is an infection, whether there is an injury, or some other person abuses the child will not be able to express it properly. Child also becomes uncomfortable and may think that if I talk about my genitals, what will parents think, and it's I should not talk about. All this negative attitude will be created by parents if they show such behavior. So all the parents should know that it is very natural for the child during growing up period, during exploring its own body, it is very normal to handle the genitals and also get some pleasure. This phase passes away, but the children will learn whether they have to, even proper name should be given to the genitals, because that is also children cannot express in a proper terms. The terminology also is not there. Very slang terms or some other local terms, or the some birds and invisible other lifeless objects, all these the names will be given to the genitals. So this is also not a very proper thing. So parents should understand, like any other part of the body, they should also develop a healthy attitude towards their genital organs or the sexual organs, and tell it in proper words in a matter of fact, especially when the parents are bathing the child, telling the stories, making them sit on their laps when they are sleeping. So indirectly they should give positive inputs to the child, how normal it is, and they have to etiquette, because if they have to cover their genitals, it is a delicate part and others should not touch, should not mishandle. And if such a thing happens, the baby should come and tell the mother all these things. This is the time you can teach the child what is sexual abuse in a child's own language for their mental understanding. In such words, in very simple words, they have to tell. Keep certain parts of the body covered. Don't allow any person, outsider or insider, to handle that. If the child is feeling uncomfortable, come and report to the mother or to the father. So this is very important. At that age, even the boy looks at the father, what father is doing. He wants to learn from father what he is doing, how he has to behave. So the attitude of the father, behavior of the father, how they look after other members of the family becomes very important. And in a similar way, a girl also can look up to the mother for how she behaves, how she has to do. So the gender role starts developing, and how they have to give mutual love, affection, understanding, mutual respect to the opposite gender. This is the time when there are both boys and girls. Both of them should be given equal opportunity in all the things. So naturally, from right from that age, the gender equality, giving respect to the opposite gender, not misusing the opposite gender, starts right from the young age. So it's very important, the growth of the child in this age group, 3 to 6 years of age.